Hello my friends, today we are doing an Amazon haul or fun finds, and I'm excited to bring that to you because I love shopping at Amazon and some of you do too. So I'm going to be getting into that. Don't forget we have a number system and the number corresponds to whatever I'm talking about, and then you can go down and open up the description box all the way and you will see the products next to the number and also in the first pinned comment for you so that you know that. Let's get into it. I'm excited for some of this stuff that I got. This right here, I'm super excited about. So you see my sort of faux tan going on. This is from this new tanning product that I just found. I'm so happy to be finding this. This is Beauty by Earth Self Tanner Tanning Lotion. Dermatologist tested, safe for skin, buildable sunless tanning lotion, clean ingredients, dye free. This is the light. I did go back and I ordered the medium. Now I am very fair. I'm like white paper, almost see-through. So I need something that was light to begin with, but I also like that as you go through the summer, you get a little bit darker. So you apply some of this that's a little bit darker. What I love about this is as it goes on, it's white, by the way, it's a lotion. It's very easy to put on and it does not miss spots. I mean, you just rub it in like a lotion, like you're rubbing in any sort of body lotion that you're using. And I am telling you, I've never had any streaks. I've never had any patchiness. I am in love with this. And as it fades, it doesn't do that either. It fades very naturally. I have tried dozens upon dozens of self tanners and they almost always get patchy as they fade. This one doesn't do that. I'm so excited about this and I can't wait to do the medium one. So I will report back to you how the medium one does, but the light so far has done great. And like I said, I am so super white and it's just done such a great job. I even used it a little bit on my face, no irritation. Now I'll get asked, did it smell and does it cause a smell? Yes, all self tanners do. They're changing the chemistry of your skin a little bit. So you have to know that's how they work. It does have a little bit of smell and it doesn't smell the greatest when it's going on either. I also like that because I know that it's not perfumed. So yeah. Anyway, I also get asked if it makes your dark spots darker and my answer to that is yes. All of them do. It's going to grab onto pigment. It's going to grab onto anything and make that pigment darker. So, you know, there's not really ones I've ever found. I'm just telling you the truth because I'm trying this stuff out with you. It is what it is as far as when we age. You know, those dark spots get darker with self tanners, but this one is probably the best one that I've ever found as far as the way it goes on and the way it fades. I absolutely love it. Also, remember me telling you earlier about the Lumineux Toothpaste that they released with 10% nano hydroxypeptide, whatever, performance whitening toothpaste, clinically proven to whiten for strong, healthy teeth, anti-plaque and anti-tartar. I love this stuff, that nanotechnology that they're talking about. It was developed by NASA for their astronauts going into space to help protect their teeth against the elements, whatever it goes on in space for that. This is not your ordinary toothpaste. That foams up in your mouth. It doesn't taste the greatest, but boy, does it freshen your breath. It has a minty taste, but it's different. So everything about this toothpaste is very, very different. And I'm really, really liking it. And I'm really glad that I got it. And also, in order to get these babies white, I use the white strips. So these two in conjunction are keeping my teeth super white, along with the coconut pulling oil that I talk about a million times, which I'll list underneath the strips for you. And I did just barely order the pen that they had. I didn't even know they had a whitening pen. So I'll report back on that one as well for you. But Lumineux has been trusted by me for a long time. And I don't know what's going on, but I'm having a really hard time sleeping. It's probably all the anxiety over the move we're making. Yes, we are going to Texas, and yes, it's happening in a week. So, you know, all the anxiety of making everything go smoothly, and it is going very smoothly, but I don't have a problem going to sleep. I have a problem staying asleep, and these are natural melatonin, 10 milligrams for 2 gummies. Fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, wake up refreshed. I don't have a problem falling asleep, like I said, but I do have a problem staying asleep. These help me stay asleep. So as much as possible right now. But I wanted to recommend these because they're really, really good and I take them about 3 weeks, and then I'll take a week off of them because you're supposed to cycle off of them. But they're great for me, and I want you to make sure that you talk to your doctor before you start any supplements, no matter who is telling you about them. So yeah, they're really good for me. And as we're going into the summer, I want to tell you about my cups that I get. I can't remember. This says S and SLM. I can't remember what the name of them exactly. You'll see that when you look at the numbers down in the description box. But this is so much cheaper than the Stanleys. And they are a slim design that fits down into a cup holder in your car, has a handle, has a straw that comes with it that matches the whole thing. These are a twist on and off lid. So if you go like this, you're not going to have the water come out. It's really great. I mean, it will come out the straw if you tip it all the way over, but not a lot. It has suction around the straw, and this lid that twists on and off will be able to customize so you can do a right-handy or a left-handy, depending on what you are. And these are my sunglasses that I absolutely love, and I've ordered them over and over again. Just about every year I refresh my sunglasses. They have the cute rhinestones and then the cute profile right here with the gold accent on them. They're not too heavy for my eyes right there, but they darken everything just enough for me. And you can buy them in a 2-pack. Those were the brown ones, and these are my purple ones. So I really love these, and they're very durable and hold up. But of course, if you throw them in the bottom of your purse, like I do, they will get scratched, but they are really good, and they do come with their own little sleeves that you can use on those. Okay, in my other video about skincare, or if it hasn't come out yet, I'm doing a skincare video. I want to tell you about these 2 new Numbuzin products that Numbuzin actually sent me. And no, they didn't sponsor this, but I really do like these. This is the Numbuzin number 3. Now the first one is an essence, which I really, really like. And it is the Super Glowing Essence Toner Bifida Fermentation Filtrate with Niacinamide. This is super hydrating. I think that's what I love the most about it, is that it just feels so hydrating and so lovely with all the other essences that I use. You know, I use their number 9, I have for a long time, but this one is great. And then they also sent me the Bifida Bakuchi Oil Zero Pore Milky Moisturizer. So this is a milky toner, goes on very, very thin, in a very, very thin layer, but hydrating. And it has that bifida and galactomyces in it, bakuchi oil and kojic acid. Bakuchi oil, if you don't know, is the alternative for people that have super sensitive skin and can't do tretinoin. So it's going to help with the building of collagen in your skin. Kojic acid is a brightener, so if you have sallow skin or if you have dark spots. And then bifida and galactomyces is an all-around great thing for anybody that is aging, whether you have darkness or fine lines or spots or anything. It's just really good for refreshing your skin and making your skin look more youthful. It's found in Lancome, Genifique, and Estee Lauder Night Repair, but it's found in a very smaller concentration than you get in these Korean skincare brands. So these are my picks. They sent me like, I don't know, 30 or 40 products, but those are the ones that I'm in love with. Along with, I really, really like the new Numbuzin number 9. This is the SPF of 50, broad spectrum SPF 50. It has that NAD, has 9 peptides in it, and it is a glow sunscreen. So it really does give you a beautiful glow. I've got it on underneath my makeup, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It doesn't dry out throughout the day. You do feel like you've got this really great protection, but at the same time, it's a really, really good one. I hope that you guys get to try that. I also want to tell you about 2 handbags that I got that I'm super excited about because I'm switching out for spring a little bit. This one is just a beautiful muted kind of grape color. I love this purple color. I love that it has the handles right here. I just think that it just looks like a high-end bag. You also have the strap that it comes with, so you can do it over your shoulder if you want to. And inside you have the 2 pockets. There's a zipper pocket back here, zipper pocket in the middle, and then you have a couple of pockets that are just open right here, and then a zipper pocket on the back. Kind of a medium-sized handbag, which is nice, and it's not heavy. That's one thing that I always look for in a bag, is that they're not too heavy to begin with, because I'm going to put stuff in there, and more than likely I'm going to end up putting too much in there. And then I also want to show you this one, which is a crossbody, but you know, it's not much smaller than that last one that I showed you. I love the color of this one as well. It's a muted pink. and it's got the gunmetal accents on it, which is super fun. And I also like that it has this thick guitar strap, so if you are going to wear it crossbody, it won't cut into your neck like those thinner straps will. It has an open pocket in the middle, just one. It has a pocket, zipper pocket on the back for some safety there. It has another pocket in the front there that is a snap pocket. And then in the front all the way is a zipper pocket that is like a wallet. So you can put right here some of your credit cards if you need to, and it has a lot of room in it. So I really like this one a lot. I can't wait to use this. So beautiful bag, and both of those I wanted to share with you. I always share my bags with you guys. Now, have you guys seen this all over the internet? If you watch any cooking channels at all, or if you know, whatever, you're gonna be able to see this. And this little gadget is so great for breaking apart meat, especially hamburger. If you are, or ground meat, if you are somebody that uses a lot of ground meat, this is going to break it apart so that it gets small, very small pieces instead of big chunks. The other thing, I use this for a potato masher. I was watching somebody the other day, potato masher, and like I got strawberries the other day and we were going to do strawberry shortcake, and I mashed up my strawberries too. So this is really, really versatile. I thought I was just going to use it for meat. I use it constantly. It doesn't matter what I want to mash. I grab this. I don't ever use a potato masher, so that one's good. Next one is what it says, a bacon press. However, it is a cast iron press that I use to make smash burgers. So I smash my patties really, really small, and it still keeps them in that round shape. I don't keep this on there while they're cooking, although you could, but if you keep something like that while it's cooking, it's gonna, you know, squeeze the juice out of it, and I don't necessarily want that. But you can use it for bacon. You can use it for just about anything. I saw a YouTuber use it for potatoes, and she mashed the potatoes down, a baked potato down, and then she topped it, and then she did like a twice baked potato. So you can use it for anything that you need to hold down while you're cooking, because it has the handle right here that's not going to get hot, and it is super heavy because it is the cast iron. So got a cute little pig on there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I'm loving that. I'm having fun right now with all kinds of cooking right now. So this is a handy dandy gadget. I hate grating cheese by hand. I hate it. But this thing grates cheese like no other. It has a section on the bottom that will suck onto your counter, and then you just turn this and it goes up in here. You can grate anything, carrots, potatoes, whatever you want to. You can slice things too, because in here is that stainless steel cup right there, or the stainless steel grater part, and it comes with 4 others. Now 2 of mine are put away, but I think that my son saved out the bigger grater, and this one cuts as well. So there's also, I think, a julienne one in there that you can do, but here's the bigger grater one. So fast. I mean, Parmesan cheese is one of the things that I have the hardest time grating because it's a harder cheese, and man, you don't have a problem with this, because not only are you pushing down on it, but the handle's super easy to crank. I love that thing. It is awesome. I really have been enjoying it. Last thing on the docket is this, and I just took it off of the counter and cleaned it to put it in a box, and I thought I'm going to show it to you guys because don't think I've ever showed this to you before. But you know how you have the wasted space in the corner of your kitchen? There's a cabinet that has the corner, and you don't necessarily put anything back there that is useful. You use maybe some decor or something. Well, we put our air fryer on top of this thing right here, and the base stays in the back, and then you can pull your air fryer out from underneath those cabinets and use it, because you know you have to lift your air fryer up. I do anyway. It's a ninja. And so this is great to be able to pull that out, push it back when it's not in use, hides away, and this thing has lasted for years. I've had it forever. It's really nice bamboo. I know they come in different colors, but this has been just ideal for us. And the glide on it is super smooth too. So I wanted to make sure I showed you that. And you know what, friends? I think that is pretty much it for today's video as far as Amazon goes. I couldn't wait to share these with you. They're super fun. And I hope that you find something here that you are excited about. Let us know down in the comment section whether or not you're going to pick anything up, or if you've picked anything up at Amazon recently that I might be be interested in, because I love your recommendations. And I usually try everything out that you guys recommend to see how it will work for me. So I hope that you're all doing really well. Please take care of yourselves. Come back around and see me in my next video. And in the meantime, I'll put up another Amazon video for you that you can see right here. Love you guys so much. See you soon. Bye.